Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'll show you the truth about APK to IPA conversion and the correct way to get your app on iOS. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, APK and IPA files are built for completely different platforms, Android and iOS, so direct conversion is not possible. However, if your app was created using a cross-platform framework like Flutter or React Native, you can build it for iOS instead. Here's what you need to do. Grab a Mac device, install Xcode, and make sure your development framework is properly set up. Next, open your project in your IDE, for example Android Studio, configure the signing settings in Xcode, and run the iOS build. Once the process is complete, Xcode will generate your IPA file, ready for testing or App Store submission. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more smart tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.